Hey everyone, I'm Jason Chapman and welcome to our show floor here in Rogers. Today we're going to take a look at a 2023 Premier 230 Solaris. Taking a quick look at the exterior here, you can see we have the lighting package on this boat. We do have the midnight rails, white pearl upper, then the black bottom. So really sleek tri-tune. Let's hop up inside and check out some of the features. As we come inside here, we do have the cream upholstery and the charcoal accent. This actually does have the changing room on here as well, so lots of room and storage underneath all the cushions. We do have our in-floor storage here, so we're going to maximize the space on that third tube right there in the center. We do have the upgraded sound system here. That's your subwoofer, and then at the helm, you're going to have a raised helm on all of our Premier pontoons. Tilt steering wheel, all your controls over towards the starboard side, including a phone charger and then our SIMRAD display screen. So it's going to be able to do all your chart plotting, engine diagnostics, vitals. Everything's going to be very accessible here at the helm. We do have our high back captain and co-captain seating, which both do swivel and adjust. And we do also have a flip up bolster right here, so you can sit on top of that and see what's going on behind the boat. And then since this is a 230 Solaris, we do have our electric power bimini top as well. And then a great feature, one of my favorite parts of this pontoon in particular, is this rear facing seating right here. So you can configure this in a couple different ways. Right now we have both backrests sitting forwards and aft, and then you can adjust these. You can lay this all the way flat into a complete sun pad, many different options here, and then tons of storage underneath these cushions. And this is powered by a 250 horsepower Mercury, so you're gonna have plenty of power when you're pulling the kids behind the boat, either tubing or skiing. So again, 2023 Premier 230 Solaris. It's located here in our store in Rogers. Summer's right around the corner, so come on by and take a look. Thanks.